Lesson: AI regulations in Asia and Europe. AI regulations in Asia and Europe present a complex yet crucial landscape that professionals must navigate to ensure compliance, ethical deployment, and governance of artificial intelligence technologies. The regulatory frameworks in these regions provide a foundation for implementing AI systems responsibly, addressing privacy concerns, discrimination, accountability, and transparency. Understanding these frameworks is essential for certified AI ethics and governance professionals as they work to align AI applications with regulatory requirements and ethical standards. Asia, with its diverse socio-economic and political environments, exhibits a range of regulatory approaches to AI. In China, the government has implemented strict regulations focusing on the control and data sovereignty of AI technologies. The Chinese government emphasizes AI development as a strategic priority, aiming to become a global leader in AI by 2030. China's regulations reflect a state-centric approach, where data localization and government oversight are paramount. For example, the Cybersecurity Law mandates that personal data and important data gathered or produced by critical information infrastructure operators in China should be stored domestically unless a security assessment is conducted. This regulation poses challenges for multinational companies operating in China, requiring localized data storage solutions and heightened cybersecurity measures to comply. Pause. In contrast, Japan's AI strategy emphasizes ethical guidelines and collaborative innovation. The Japanese government has issued the AI Utilization Guidelines, which prioritize principles such as human-centric AI, privacy protection, and transparency. These guidelines encourage businesses to adopt AI technologies that align with societal values, fostering trust and acceptance. To implement these principles practically, companies can refer to tools like the AI Ethics Impact Assessment, which provides a step-by-step framework for evaluating the ethical implications of AI systems. The AI EIA helps professionals identify potential ethical risks, assess their impact, and develop mitigation strategies, ensuring that AI applications adhere to Japan's regulatory standards. Europe's approach to AI regulation is largely characterized by the European Union's robust legal framework, prioritizing fundamental rights and consumer protection. The EU's General Data Protection Regulation is a cornerstone of AI regulation, setting strict rules for data privacy and protection. The GDPR requires organizations to obtain explicit consent from individuals before processing their data and mandates transparency in data handling practices. This regulation has significant implications for AI systems that rely on personal data, necessitating comprehensive data management strategies to maintain compliance. Tools like the Data Protection Impact Assessment guide professionals in identifying and mitigating data protection risks associated with AI projects, ensuring adherence to GDPR requirements. Additionally, the European Commission has proposed the Artificial Intelligence Act, aiming to create a harmonized regulatory framework for AI across member states. This proposed legislation categorizes AI systems into different risk levels, with corresponding regulatory obligations. High-risk AI applications, such as those used in critical infrastructure or biometric identification, are subject to stringent requirements, including conformity assessments and post-market monitoring. Professionals can leverage conformity assessment frameworks to evaluate AI systems against these regulatory standards, ensuring they meet safety and ethical criteria before deployment. The challenges of implementing AI regulations in Asia and Europe are multifaceted, requiring professionals to adapt to varying legal landscapes, cultural contexts, and technological advancements. One practical approach to addressing these challenges is through the establishment of cross-functional compliance teams within organizations. These teams can consist of legal experts, data scientists, and ethicists, collaborating to interpret and apply regulatory guidelines effectively. By fostering interdisciplinary collaboration, companies can ensure that AI systems are not only compliant, but also aligned with ethical standards and societal values. Case studies provide valuable insights into the practical application of AI regulations. For instance, the European Union's AI for EU project exemplifies a collaborative effort to advance AI while adhering to ethical guidelines. This project brings together stakeholders from academia, industry, and government to develop AI solutions that align with European values and regulatory standards. By participating in such initiatives, professionals can gain a deeper understanding of regulatory requirements and access resources to support compliance efforts. Statistics further highlight the significance of regulatory compliance in AI deployment. According to a study by McKinsey, organizations that incorporate ethical considerations into their AI systems are 20% more likely to achieve successful outcomes compared to those that do not. This underscores the importance of integrating regulatory and ethical frameworks into AI strategies to enhance operational success and maintain public trust. In conclusion, navigating the regulatory landscape for AI in Asia and Europe requires a comprehensive understanding of the diverse approaches to governance, privacy, and ethics. By leveraging practical tools and frameworks, professionals can address real-world challenges, ensuring that AI applications are both compliant and ethically sound. Cross-functional collaboration, adherence to international standards, and participation in collaborative initiatives are key strategies for successfully implementing AI regulations. As AI technologies continue to evolve, staying informed and proactive in regulatory compliance will be essential for professionals seeking to advance AI responsibly and sustainably.